Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I am Michelle and thank you so much for tuning in. And behind the camera is my husband Marcel. So this morning we have some things here. I know you must be wondering what's going on now. So we are gonna be heading to Miss Heather because we would have assisted her. She's the lady who got kicked out. And so would have assisted her with the help of donors, of course, to find a place to stay. And so now a donor who is very integral to this process would have assisted her with the rent and stuff. That donor would have donated some funds, and as a result we were able to purchase some items for her to begin her small business. So this morning we are going to be dropping them off to her so she can begin her small business. All right, and it's really early in the morning. It's just a few minutes after 7. So we have a few stops today. So if you notice, we have other things in the car because we're going to be going to a number of different places. So all right, so I'm going to be packing the back and then you'll see, the items that we have, because I don't know that we'll have the time to do it when we get there. So we have some mops and I'm going to try pack these mops. I think we should put them in the car. What do you think, Marcel? Put them on the back seat? All right, let us do that. Okay. All right. And then Marcel, you can come right over so we can just show what it is that we have here. We'll have some cleaning materials here. They call these scour. We have 3 packs of that. We have mosquito destroyer. And this is, of course, based on the list that you would have sent to us of some of the things that you would like to sell. So we have face rags. And we have handkerchiefs. And we have some dishwashing liquids. We have about 6 of those. We also have some Scotch Brights and bath soaps, toilet fresheners. I think that's what it's called. Right? And let me see if there's anything else in this bag that I have not said. I think that is it. All right, so we're just going to pack back these things. So put the kerchief, the face rags. I have to pack it back properly so that they can hold. Okay. All right, we put the mosquito destroyer to one side and the scour. So that's that for this bag. And so we're just going to put this in the car. Okay, and then now in this one, and in doing this sort of shopping, we would have gone to different places. So that's why we have so many, different tie up and all of that. So we have bathing rags in this one, and we have, these are lotions, and we have some perfumes. So we have, let me put this down, I think 6 lotions, 6 of these, and some perfumes, I think about the same amount, 6. All right, so we just put this back together. Tie this one. And then the final one now. Oh, wow. Okay. And of course, if Marcel was not behind the camera, I know he would be doing this because this is usually his part, but we change roles today. So we have toothbrushes, we have toothpaste. I think we have about 6 toothpaste. We have soap powder in there. Quite a few, maybe a dozen. And then we have Fabuloso. And we have about 6 of these, I believe. Oh, Lord, it looks like more. Oh, no, it's 6. All right, so these are the things that we have, and like I said, we're just showing it to you now because I don't know if we'll be able to do it when we're on location with her, because it's really early, and so we don't want to disrupt our day, and also too because we have different runs to make. All right, so we're gonna travel to her now, so we will see you when we get there. All right. Oh, the gate. Okay, so guys, we are here. And Marcel is taking around the things. So
You were waiting for me to come back? Oh, no? Okay.
Miss Heather.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh Lord.
Okay.
Uh-oh, they fell.
All right. You want me to take up this?
Okay, yes. Morning.
Morning, Mrs. Kim. Mr. Kim.
Yes. How are you this morning?
I'm okay.
Okay. So we come to drop off your things so that you can start your small business. So well,
Thank you.
make sure you just put down those. You can put down those and come back, Miss Heather.
Okay.
You want help to bring them in, or you just take them off?
Yeah, man. You think we need that come inside too, you know?
No, man. we just can't drop off today.
Okay.
So you can get to go through.
Okay.
When you're finished.
Thank you guys very much.
Yes, you are more than welcome.
And the Lord bless you.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, donors, very much for what you have done for me, and the Lord bless you. And I'm going to try and see if I can make the best of this. So I just want to say thanks very much, and thanks, Mr. and Mrs. Kim.
You're more than welcome, Miss Heather.
Okay.
All right. So, okay, guys. So this is where we end the video for today. It's not a long video, just a video where we are, just showing you what has been happening with Miss Heather since we first met her. And we are more than grateful that today we are able to hand over these items. We want to say thanks to God, because without him, nothing is possible. So we're thanking him for making all of this, a success, a possibility. And we want to say thank you to the donor. Is a donor who has been quite integral, as I would have said before, because she would have assisted to get me when Miss Heather was, kicked out and needed the assistance. So she would have assisted then, and she still would have assisted now. So I want to say a big thank you to you, and we are more than grateful. And on behalf of Miss Heather, we'd love to say thank you as well. All right, so this is where we end the video for today. I want to thank everybody who has always been watching us, supporting us, calling us, even to give a word of encouragement. And those persons who are always praying for us, we say thank you, a big thank you. All right, your prayers are keeping us, your prayers are giving us strength. So thank you so much. All right, so until next time, this is where we end the video. Thank you for making it a Likkle Everyting Jamaican. Blessed love, and bye-bye.